Alright, got a little teardown we're going to do today. I picked this up at a local sporting goods store. I thought it was pretty cool. I've been wanting one of these little LED work light deals, and for like 25 bucks I couldn't really pass it up. I guess the brand's called Dorcey, but I've never heard of them. Supposed to be the Ultra HD rechargeable COB LED lithium ion. They got all the regular marketing wank on here. High and low modes, impact and water resistant. I didn't see an IP rating on here, so yeah, I don't really see an IP rating. It has the clouds and the rain. It has the clouds and rain on it, but I don't see an IP rating. So maybe that's something we can test once I don't like this thing anymore. But it's cool. I did buy it because it said, I moved the camera, whoops. Because it's got 18650s in it, and that's what I was looking for. So what I was looking for is something I can use 18650s in and then change them out just like double A's, right? So I can take the 18650s that I already have chargers for, and oh, the work light's dead, open it up, swap it out, and I'm back in business, right? I don't have to charge what's in here. So that was the thought. And you heard about the man who thought, right? So I did open it up already, I'm not gonna lie. So let's open it up first. Show you what it looks like. Get these little rubber things out. Little rubber feet. And it's I'm a little bit disappointed that I'm not going to be able to swap the 18650s like I thought I would, but it's still a pretty decent, well-designed light. Like, the case seems pretty beefy. It's probably, I don't know, ABS or something. And then, it has this little cover over the back. Got a little micro SD, so you can charge the batteries, and then a big USB, so you can actually use it as a power bank. That was one of the other features they listed on the front, right? You can charge devices, you can charge your cell phone or whatever. So let's pop this off. So the screws seem to stay in there from what I can tell. They'll probably come out, make me a liar, but whatever. So this is the COB. Maybe you can see. That looks pretty terrible. Alright, we're back. So that's the little COB. This thing is not great in the lighting that I have, but I mean, you can see there's 2, 4, 6, 26, 24 LEDs, something like that. But you can see here, this is my little problem with it. It's a LED, or it's a lithium pack, so they put the two batteries in there together. I thought it would be just something I could swap out. The battery's pretty easy, but that doesn't look like it's going to be the case. But that's okay, because it's still a good light, and it can still do some of the stuff I wanted to do anyway, which was have a work light, charge LEDs, or charge devices, cell phones and other stuff. Let's see. So this is still doesn't want to come off. So that's the driver circuit. It's only a couple more screws. Just take them out. And that's it. So, big old button. I bet that'll come on. Chunk. That's cool. So that's the two 18650s in there. Oh, and it's hard soldered onto the board. Damn. It looks like they bridged that connection. That's crazy. Looks like they bridged that connection right there. I'm not sure that's supposed to do that, but I didn't design and build it. Hey, let's see what kind of batteries those are. I'll tape it back up. It's not a big deal. Oh. They look like Samsungs. I think, right? Oh, snap. Lost my blade. Dang. Holly lolly X-Acto knife coming apart on me. Just trying to find a little bit of literature on the batteries here. Show us something. No. Oh, onboard charging circuit, that's cool. Anything I can tell on this side? No. Oh well. So, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna zip it all back together, and then we're gonna test the lights. And we'll use a little lux meter app on a cell phone, and we'll see what kind of light it outputs on its two settings. Alright, she's all back together now. And it still works. See? Told ya. And then the dim setting, you're gonna see a little pulse width modulation action going on here. Yep, there you go. So that's bad. Let's not do that too much. So what I'll go ahead and do is I'm going to put I'll take my other phone here, and we're gonna do some lux readings. So the max on the bench is 300-ish, so we'll reset that. turn the light on. I'll put the phone in front of the light and move just a little bit so you can see what I'm doing here. So it looks like the max, let me turn this off. Max lux was, where at? I don't know if the camera can see that. 17,614 lux. So we'll do the same thing. Bear with the PWM flickery a little bit here, and we'll take a reading at with the dim. Now you can kind of see we're at 4,146 from the dim setting. So I know this thing says 1,500 lumens on the box, and without knowing a bunch of stuff, there's not really a good conversion between lux and lumens. Lumens is like, or lux is the amount of lumens per cubic or square foot or something at a certain distance. It's more than I'm willing to measure on the bench top tonight. I just really wanted to do a teardown. Maybe we can do a lux reading and see how long it takes for the battery to run down on this one, because it does say it does give us a runtime here. So 1,500 lumens, which is the high setting, will run for 7 hours, and then 280 lumens, which is the low setting, should run for 20 hours. So I'm probably going to try to figure out how to rig up a test for that. But until then, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. So I wound up finding it on Amazon. That's pretty cool. It's the exact same one for $43. And I paid $25 for mine. And I checked the packaging. It's Dorcey 41-4336. So yeah, if you can find it in store, I would not get that off of Amazon. Cool stuff.